Okay, so this is our dishwasher problem. First of all, we're going to take the door off the actual dishwasher. Okay. Now you can see one screw there and another screw there. There's actually two, but I'm talking about the one on the top. And you take those two screws off just with a Phillips screwdriver, and the door should just be able to lift off. So let's just do that now. And then the second screw, and don't worry, the door won't fall off. Let's just push that up so we can take the screw out easy. Okay, so two screws out, and lift the door up and just pull up slightly. There you go, it comes off. You can see on the back there's two hooks here that hook into this, and so it creates 4 points to hold the door on. Okay, so let's put the door to the side. So that's how you take the decorative door off. Okay, now what we want to do is take this panel off. We're going to have to get into these with a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I've managed to take this clip thing off. It's a bit of a pain. Managed to break one of the clips as well. See one of the clips there. That's the other clip. Let's just get that in focus, I think. Stream close open. Right, okay, that's the second one. Broken the clip there. Anyway, things off. I don't think it matters that much. So basically, show my torch in the bottom there. I think you can see water. I've actually cleaned some of the water up already. Just clean water. I've actually soaked some of the water up already. You see the droplets in there. So I think that's what's causing. And you can see, looks like more water there. So I'm just gonna, oh by the way, I've turned off the dishwasher at the mains. So I'm just gonna get a paper towel, a decent paper towel. Let's have a look in that. Actually that's not water. But yeah, there was quite a bit of water there. And hopefully cleaning this bit up should fix the issue. Yeah, a bit more water there. Just squeezing out the paper towel. These are good, these paper towels. Kirkland paper towels from Costco. Can't go wrong. Okay. Let's shut the torch in there. There's none at the back. So it's just in these. So obviously some sort of sensor in here. It's picking up the water. God knows where it's coming from. So obviously we're going to get this problem again and again. Don't know where the leak is. That's what really we need to resolve, where the leak is coming from, which will stop the fault, the sensor from going off. All I can do is just dry it out. I suppose there's not a lot of water in the heat, the kitchen and stuff. It can evaporate on its own accord. So it could be leaking all the time and then dry up, possibly. Okay, so I can leave that off actually and give it a go, see if that fixes it. So here we go, I've mopped the bottom of the dishwasher out, and it seems to be working okay now.
Is it?
Doesn't it? Is it working now?
Is it making a noise?
Well, it's making a dishwasher noise.
What? How did you turn it on?
Press the on button.
Which on button?
So there we go.
Where is it?
So I can't see anything.
How do you turn it off?
Just let go. And I can't see any where the leak's coming from. Probably takes a while to build up. So that's where the leak comes from anyway.
Now can I have it?
There you go.